Hey, how's it going, folks? ET here. What you're looking at is a kind of a Boro leftovers build that I've been kind of throwing together. It runs Bazzite Linux. It's got a some kind of Ryzen 7 or 9, relatively new, and a 5060 Ti 16 gigabytes GPU. That's the only non-leftover part. Everything else was kind of leftovers from other builds, but basically I had the stock fans in here before, and I had that box of fans just sitting in the closet from like years ago in the during the what times. So I was like, let me just throw these in and put them to use. And this case has always been kind of noisy, but actually once I put these in, it's super duper quiet. And pardon the lack of wire management there. You can see kind of messing with trying to get the LEDs to talk to the motherboard to talk to Linux so that I can control the colors. Right now, it's just stuck with the basically rainbow pulsing, showing everything going on at once. And my final desktop is a little bit of Tron there, and you'll see that I'm rocking a little MP3 player. I was ripping some old CDs. This one is a Misha Tokyo Dance Mix Live. Okay, we'll talk to you next time. Peace and aloha.